Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to resign on Darwinbox. First, open the Darwinbox app on your device. Next, logging into your Darwinbox account using your employee credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Info section on the main dashboard. Next, click on Separation and choose the Resignation option. Here, fill in your resignation details, including your last working day, reason for leaving, and any other required information. After entering all the details carefully, click Submit to send your resignation request for approval. Once submitted, your manager or HR will review it, and you can track the status directly from the same section. And that's it! Your resignation has been successfully submitted through Darwinbox. Make sure to check your email for confirmation or any feedback from HR. You can also download a copy of your resignation request for your personal records. To ensure a smooth and professional exit, inform your reporting manager personally. Finally, complete all exit formalities and handover tasks before your last working day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.